pássaro que não sabe puxar. Vivir a vida de pássaro que não sabe puxar. Vivir a vida de pássaro que não sabe puxar. Vivir a vida de pássaro que não sabe puxar. Vivir a vida de pássaro que não sabe puxar.
I know what you're thinking. I know. Where the heck have I been? I know, bro. I know. It's been a long past week. It's been a lot, bro. To start off, you know, the whole thing with my PC, I had, switched up some settings. I had switched up some settings in my OBS, just thinking, maybe this would be beneficial.
Nope.
It's to me and when I record and when I stream,
nope.
But it wasn't beneficial at all. Because then when I started streaming again and tried playing games and recording games, they kept on telling me that my encoder was overloaded. It's fixed now, but it took me forever to get it fixed. It took me forever, bro. Forever to try to figure out what was wrong. But I figured it out. We're back. That's where I've been this whole entire time. That and working, making money on the side. Trying to, regain my energy. Trying to focus back on making YouTube videos for y'all. Because, once I'm not in this chair in front of this camera consistently, it's hard, bro. It's hard to get that consistency going again. But here we are today with a brand new video. Hopefully you read the title. Today we have none other than a brand new game that came out actually yesterday. I'm recording this on March 27th. This game came out on March 26th. This game is Bushside Rangers Chapter 1. Oh wait, before we hop into it, I just want to do a little check-in. You doing all right? You doing okay? Everybody in the back doing okay? Yeah. I know, man. I know. It's my bad, bro. It's my bad. I took responsibility. Relax. We're back. It's good to see you. Thank you for tuning in. Today, like I said before, we have Bushside Rangers Chapter 1. Let me go ahead and set the scene. Unravel the twisted secrets of the Bushside Rangers Nature Park. As Vera, a young girl forced to use her wits as she's pursued by the tainted memories of the park's long lost innocence. Will we survive? Will we do what we gotta do to survive? Will we get past all the obstacles that the game has planned for us? Let's find out together. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, this is Bushside Rangers Chapter 1. Just the first chapter. We got a lot more chapters coming through. So, don't got much else to say. Just good to see y'all again. It's good to be back in the chair, man. It's good. It feels good. It feels good to be making a new video after all this time. But like I said before, well, I haven't said before, but in my intro, I'll be telling y'all to follow my live stream accounts over there on Twitch and Kick. Yeah, I'll be live streaming. I'll be over there, bro. Come kick it with me, man. Come kick it with me. Have that notification on when you follow. And when I go live, just slide through. Enjoy some more laughs, some more scares, some more comfortability from time to time. But anyways, man, I know what you're here for, and I know what I'm here for. Let's hop into it. Nice little disclaimer. Yes, sir. Always need a disclaimer. Daniela G Studios. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you. This game automatically saves data at certain points. For sure, for sure. You ain't gotta worry about that. You ain't gotta worry about me. Got you, got you. Okay. Okay. My goodness. I gotta make sure it ain't too loud. I gotta make sure it ain't too loud for y'all, you know? Hopefully it's not. Okay, let me make sure, yeah, let me make sure this is all turned down, because, boy.
A few moments later.
Y'all have breakfast yet? I haven't. It's 10:41. Haven't had a look at breakfast, but I did brush my teeth.
You want an
Hold on.
amazing fun day out? How about a day where you get to meet the Bushside Rangers?
Who is these niggas? And fake Chuck E. Cheese.
When there's a spark comes down and you will live the dream. So excited and want to meet you, Bushside Rangers. There's such a
Why did they close all those years ago? Just like Chuck E. Cheese mixed with like a zoo? They got animals?
Come on down to the Bushside Rangers Nature Park and let your child meet their favorite characters.
Yuck.
On our many rides,
Terrifying.
enjoy what nature has to offer.
No, sir.
The Bushside Rangers Nature Park.
Do you remember Vera? Oh my goodness. Okay. What are we supposed to remember? Do we got short-term memory loss or, you know? Chapter 1, The Desolate Land. Oh, snap. Where did you just come from? Did you just drop out of the sky? Did somebody drop you off or? Oh, your bike. Okay. For sure. All right, here we are. We made it, y'all. Unfortunately. Don't you got school tomorrow, Vera? Like, I don't understand why you think... What's bringing you here?
I don't know about this anymore.
We can always hop back on the bike, Vera. We can always go back home. We can.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Excuse your language. Lord forgive her.
Strong, Vera. Okay. How do I even get past the entrance?
New objective. Find a way into the park. Okay. Vera, are you sure you want to continue doing this? Why are you doing this again? You was having nightmares about this place or something? Cause it closed down for whatever reason?
This looks like it should do the trick.
Oh, this right here? Who knows, bro? Who knows?
That was easy.
Hopefully they tell us the storyline behind everything as we continue
Wow.
to get deeper and deeper.
Place. I have to keep going.
Vera, you don't have to keep going. How old are you, Vera? Explore the lobby? Oh, okay, hold on. Back this way. Or maybe it is around. Maybe I'm tweaking. Oh, okay, hold on. There we go. There go that sprint button, y'all. Can't stand it. At least you ain't got no stamina bar. You might as well not have one. You like what, 9 years old?
It's not destroyed, and the power cable's still intact. Seems like it leads to the nature hub.
New objective. Follow the sky tram cable. So this cable right here? Okay. Who is this? This is one of their mascots? This dude looked terrifying. Ain't no way y'all had a human being dressed up in that and just thought that was okay. You telling me children wasn't terrified of that man? I know I would have been. Okay, this way, up here? Okay. What's in here? Boy, it is dark. Can y'all see the game? Wait a minute. Okay. What's this?
It's missing its fuses.
No, we gotta find fuses.
Where could they even be? Huh? Oh, a flashlight. How does it still work?
That was some supernatural stuff right there. What was that?
Well, I guess I'm not complaining.
I guess not. Okay, there we go. Well, I guess we turned up the brightness for no reason. Okay, so now we're looking for fuses to turn on the power to the entire park.
Fuses be?
Lord forgive her, Lord forgive her.
Find them.
Okay. Alright. Can't go this way. What's this?
Found one.
Oh. That's quite a coincidence. That was just casually hanging out in the trash can. Yeah. For sure. I'm trying to figure out what's the whole storyline behind this. Oh, here go another fuse. Here go another fuse.
Here's
How many?
another.
We need 3 of them? I think so. We can't go back, right? No. So it's somewhere up in here. Oh, here it is.
I got them all. Now I gotta put them in the fuse board.
We got them all. We caught them all. Alright, Vera, go ahead and slide those in there. Be careful. Please. Oh, okay, here we go. Like that. And then we flipping this.
There we go. Now the gate should open.
Enter Simon Steampunk Skytram. Okay.
Oh my god.
It ain't that hard, you
It's
know.
completely destroyed. How did this happen? Do I really have no choice but to use the Euladors?
Yeah. Unless you got like supernatural powers, you just gonna blow all this out the way, then yeah, we're going in here.
Great.
Employees only. I'm surprised they even keep this around if this place been shut down for so long. Like they still keep the park actually up. Like somebody planning to like buy the place eventually, or damn, yo damn footsteps is loud, girl. Okay, we can't touch none of this. Okay, mess with the generator. Okay, come on, let's go. Whoa, I almost fell in. Hold on. Let me do some exploring. Just a little exploring. Okay, come on. All right. There we go.
There's the tram. It's not broken, but it's closed. How do I even open the doors?
Unlock the tram doors. Okay. I'm guessing we going in here. What's this? Oh, that thing that was back down here. Hold on. Let's slide back. All right, there we go.
There we go. Now I can start the tram.
Yep, flip that. Yes, sir. Okay. Where are we going though? What exactly is she trying to find in this park? Like, that's what I'm trying to figure out. What is she trying to like discover? Like,
Hey, y'all. Summon the Slaws here.
Wait, the speakers actually work?
Welcome to my steampunk Skytram. We're gonna go on a trip around the park. How exciting, eh?
yeah, Simon, yeah. This is actually pretty cool. Low key.
Wow. It feels like so long ago I was right here, in this tram, watching this same view.
First up, we have my sector of the park.
Steampunk, what's I say? Arcade.
Lots of things you can do, like play the
Okay.
things we have around.
How big was this park?
Toss a coin. Make a wish.
Got the Steampunk Arcade. You got the train right here. The park was pretty big.
And over here, we have our many food stalls and outside tables, all ready for you customers to eat and spend time with the family.
then on the opposite side, we have our first work in progress mechanical ranger arm by yours truly.
Mechanical ranger arm? What is that supposed to do? You just picking people up? What?
God.
A mechanical arm.
They're all coming back to me.
What the hell? Excuse my language.
We have one of our special
I'm telling you, man, every time I get startled, boy, let me tell you.
It's beautiful, ain't it?
Not anymore, Simon.
Half of the head.
Oh, snap.
Oh dear. All passengers aboard the Simon Steampunk Skytrain. There appears to be an issue.
Oh, okay. Thank goodness.
For now, though,
Wait.
we'll have to
Oh, I was about to say.
But
Thank you.
don't worry. We'll get our top electricians onto it right away.
That is one loud alarm. How do we get out of here?
I'm gonna have to fix this myself, aren't I?
Yes, Vera, yes. You the one that came in here. Are we going in here? Oh, here we go. Okay.
So if I want to fix the tram's power, I have to find the
Ranger radio.
whatever that is. But if I fix the tram, won't it just crash into the rubble? I guess it's worth trying.
Yeah, we ain't got, you know, it is what it is, bro. Getting access to the Ranger radio. I'm guessing this ain't it. Can't look in here.
Ooh, a safari soda. I love this stuff. Ew, 4 years out of date?
4 years out of date is nuts. Ain't no way.
The water's so cold.
Hey man, you chose this lifestyle, not me.
Wait a minute. Is the robot arm is holding the ranger radio?
What a coincidence. Okay, yeah, thanks. Go ahead and hop up there. Okay.
It's too high. Surely there's a way I can power this thing, right?
Power the generator. Oh, this generator right here.
That should do it.
There we go. Or not.
Huh? But Laurel, they want to bring recruits for the Bushside Rangers Nature Park! Yay! Now you're new. Us Safari Rangers want to give you a gift! Introducing the Ranger Radio!
Thanks.
Now, you may be asking yourself, what does the Ranger Radio do? Well, fellow Ranger, the Ranger Radio can do numerous things. It's a multi-purpose tool,
Uh-huh.
transferring power from multiple Ranger conduits around the park.
Okay.
So that's what I have to do. It's able to serve as identification for employees and Rangers to gain access to utility sources in
Oh.
other areas of the park.
Okay.
And it's able to... Huh? What happened?
Little child.
Simon?
Oh, little child. Come out. Come out wherever you are.
I don't think so, Simon.
Hide.
Hide where? Where are we gonna hide? Go, 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 go.
Oh, little child. You don't have to hide. We're not going to hurt you.
Bro, what are you?
Are you?
What are you? Who are you, bro? Are you a human being inside of an old Simon uniform or? Oh, Lord.
I love hide and seek.
I bet you do, Simon.
I'll count to 10.
Oh, nah.
And I'll find you. 10, 9,
Oh, God.
8, 7, 6, 5.
Child. Anyway, so
Quickly.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Huh? Is we supposed to press the number? Please input the corresponding number. Oh. This is crazy. There we go. This is so different. I ain't gonna lie. Is we doing this just for fun? Man, if this don't hurry up, I need to feed the others. Well, you can go ahead and order them some DoorDash, bro. Order them some Mickey D's, bro. You ain't finna eat me. Oh my gosh, he scared the man. There you go, there you go. Wait, how many of these is we supposed to do? Oh my gosh, bro, we got multiple. Go, 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 go. Oh, here we go, here we go.
Please hurry up.
He's too close. He's too close. Yay! Can't you come on? Where is he, bro? Okay, okay. Maybe I was just panicking. Right? Simon? It sounds like he's right next to me, but he ain't. Alright, alright, alright. Forget it. Come on. Come on.
Color this on.
My goodness, he sounds like he right next to me, bro. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Please, Lord, protect me, Lord. We're almost there. Almost there. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Time for us to go. 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 All right. Whoa. Run it back.
Who was taken from her mother and put in a cage. I read about a did you say want?
Come on, come on. Come. Boy, what I need to do is figure out what his route is. Okay, here he goes. Here he goes. Surviving Simon. Okay, never mind. I wasn't gonna come up with nothing anyways. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, where is he? I'm going. That nigga is fast. He fast. He fast. This nigga is quick. Oh my lord. Go on somewhere, Simon. Go on.
You can't hide.
My ass been tweaking. It's right here. Go ahead, girl. Put it in there. Hurry up. My goodness. Come on, man. Please. Please, Simon. Please, Simon. New objective, power the tram. Okay. Where is he? Where is he at? Please, sir. Please, sir. Don't do it, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Don't do this. I'm gone. I'm gone. Girl, you better. Track star time. Track star time. Did I just go the wrong way? Oh my god. Where are we? Track star time. Track star. No, sir. No, sir. You ain't finna get me. I'm gone. 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 What? What we supposed to do? This? Come on, man. Oh. Go. Yep.
Let me in. Let me in.
Nah, nigga. Nah.
You haven't seen the last of me.
For now, this is the last. Yeah. This is the last time, but... Is Vera okay?
Yeah, we're on our way to the gift shop, where you can buy
You didn't bump your head or nothing? You, sir? You okay?
and clothing at the school deal.
Lord have mercy, boy.
School bags on them for 50% off.
Oh, no.
Does he know my name?
Look at you. Trapped.
What are you doing?
Oh, Vera. I'm doing nothing. Your fate is already sealed.
What?
Goodbye, Vera.
What did you do?
This man, Simon.
Oh god.
What's going on? This man turned this into a roller coaster ride? Oh, he tweaking. You better grab hold of something.
My head. Where am I?
I don't know. You hit your head hard as mess. Automatic concussion. Grade 3.
The gift shop? Well, at least away from Simon.
Yeah, thank God. No more Simon, please.
This place is bigger than I remember.
That dude, high-key terrifying. I was taking him as a joke, but not no more. He's him. For sure.
Time to power this on.
Yep. Here we go. Number 9. Let me get a number 9. A number 6, large. Let me get a number 8, medium, with a Sprite. Let me get another 8, large, with a high C. Let me get a number 5 with a Dr. Pepper. And let me get a number 3 with a Pepsi. Small.
What was that? What the?
Who?
Oh god. Chester. What happened to you? I need to get out of here.
I heard that. Where did you go? Where did you go? I'm going to find I'm going to find you, little girl.
Nah, Chester, I don't think so.
Find the door.
Huh, yeah, we finna find it alright. We finna find that right now, girl. Power the Ranger gifts exit. Okay, watch out for all of these little motherfuckers. Watch out now. Watch out. Excuse me. So how do we hide if we need to? We just go behind here? It's too quiet up in here, boy. Too quiet. Whoa! Oh boy. Transition into a cutscene scared me. Hilarious.
I have an idea.
What's your idea? What's the idea? Ranger speaker system. Every ranger needs their tool. Where am I at?
I'm over here. It worked. But if he's going to destroy those speakers, then I'm gonna have to be careful with how often I use them.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Chester the chef chimpanzee. I gotta figure out where the next hiding spot is at after this, cause it ain't for a minute. It's a minute before I get another hiding spot, bro. Where is the next hiding spot, bro? This is damn near impossible to do without another hiding spot. Hold on, let me just send him. Where am I? Send him over there. Send him over there. Did we go through here? Close the door. Close the door. Shit. My goodness, bro. Let me get this.
Gotta do this quick.
Not too quick, you know. He ain't gonna come in here, right? He ain't gonna come in here, right? Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski, worski. Why the music doing that? Relax. Which way is out? This way? Go, go, go.
It's being powered by another conduit.
Oh, Lord. Come on, girl. Come on. Your life depends on it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, man. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. My goodness, Vera. She tripping coming up in here. Tripping.
That's it. This should get me out of here.
Not so.
No, no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Not me. Oh! Press the wrong button. Go, girl. Go. Go. Just go. Just go. Yes, I can. That's exactly what I'm doing. That's it. That's exactly what I'm doing. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gone. 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 No, sir. Not me, Chester. No, sir. Not me. What? Maybe try smash it. Did you see what that just said? Bro said try smashing into it when bro is right behind me hawking. He's got to be joking. Game is hilarious.
This should get me out of here.
Not so.
Get away from me!
Talk about try smashing into it, bro. What? Maybe try, bro. What?
A few moments later.
Which way are we supposed to go now, bro? There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Huh. Just keep running. Just keep running.
That's it. This should get me out of here.
Not so.
Get away from me!
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, bro, get off of me! He said, I'm getting my get back. Why is she not running no more? Okay, whatever. Whatever. You do you, Vera. You do you. You do you. She said, I'm walking out of here. I'm gone. She said, I'm walking out of here like a real G. This music is crazy. It feels like it still should be a chase, but it's not. Vera don't give a damn. She don't care. Go, Vera, go. Hurry up! What you looking back for? Close the door?
Get back here! Get back here! I will get you, Vera!
Oh my goodness.
So quiet. Where do I even go from here?
What is this?
Ooh, a cassette tape. This tape belongs to...
Bro, that was crazy, bro. Oh my gosh.
All right, it's recording now.
Who is this?
Why are we recording this again? Just to keep it in our records. We want to make sure we keep it readily available in case it's requested by law enforcement, you know?
Ah, right.
Okay. Are you ready, Mr. Grant?
Ready.
Good, good.
Feels so big.
What is it you were wanting to talk to me about, Mr. Grant?
Well, I was down at the caves with the construction crew for that new ride they're making. Laurel's Log ride or something like that.
Yes.
So I'm down there. And
Where am I?
something really, really weird.
Oh?
What was it?
The cafe!
Who can't even hear them talk?
To the entrance!
No way we get chased again. No way, bro.
Law enforcement.
Laurel?
These niggas still talking. Bro. We didn't even get to listen to the whole cassette tape, bro. My bad, y'all. My bad, bro. That was chapter 1 of Bushside Rangers, Desolate Island. Okay, so that's my bad. I thought the part that when we went into the vent, I thought like us going through the vent was gonna be long enough for us to listen to the cassette tape while we, you know, walked through there and got to the next part of the game, which was the last part of the game, but I guess not. So, I mean, I'm gonna have to go to somebody's playthrough of it and listen to it. That's my bad, y'all. My bad. But we did get through it. But boy, that boy Simon, oh man, Simon, I ain't never trying to see Simon again. Whoa, almost opened the gates. I ain't never trying to see Simon again. Chester was just annoying, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It was like that annoying little brat, like a little gnat buzzing in your ear, like, bro, go away, go away. Simon was the boss, though. I ain't gonna lie. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed this playthrough of the first chapter of Bushside Rangers. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend so they can enjoy it too. Yeah, with all that being said, man, until next time, I love each and every one of y'all. I'll be back with the daily uploads, weekly uploads from now on, man. From now on, hopefully. Gotta find that schedule. Gotta find that, you know, that little itch. Gotta scratch that itch again. Gotta create the itch to scratch the itch. You understand? So, yeah. With all that being said, man, until next time, be original, stay original. I love y'all. Peace.